Hey there, DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the heart of your car's starting system, the starter. If your car isn't firing up like it used to, a bad starter might be the culprit. But how can you tell for sure? Let's dive into the signs and symptoms of a failing starter and what you can do about it. 1. The engine won't start. First and foremost, if you turn the key or press the start button and the engine doesn't crank, your starter could be to blame. A bad starter can't engage the engine properly, leaving you stuck in your driveway. 2. Clicking sound. When turning the key, have you heard a clicking noise when you try to start the car? That's a classic sign of a bad starter solenoid. The solenoid is trying to engage, but the starter motor itself isn't turning the engine over. Third, grinding noise when starting. A grinding noise is another common symptom. This can happen if the starter gear isn't properly engaging with the engine's flywheel. Left unchecked, this can damage both the starter and the flywheel, making repairs even more costly. 4. Starter engages but engine won't turn over. Sometimes you'll hear the starter spinning, but the engine doesn't turn over. This usually means the starter gear is slipping and failing to connect with the flywheel. This is a sure sign your starter needs attention.
5.
Intermittent starting issues. If your car starts sometimes but not others, it could mean your starter is on its last leg. Worn-out starter components can cause unpredictable performance, making it hard to trust your car will start when you need it. 6. Smoke coming from the engine bay. Here's a more serious symptom. Smoke coming from your engine bay. If your starter overheats due to excessive cranking or internal failure, you might notice a burning smell or even smoke. If this happens, stop trying to start your car immediately and get it checked out. 7. Dashboard. Lights but no engine crank. Another clue is when your dashboard lights and other electronics come on, but the engine doesn't crank. This could indicate that your battery is fine, but the starter isn't doing its job. 8. Starter stays on after engine starts. If you hear an unusual whirring noise after the engine starts, your starter might be staying engaged longer than it should. This can wear out both the starter and the flywheel, so it's essential to address this issue quickly. Why do starters go bad? Now, you might be wondering, why does the starter fail? Starters can wear out over time due to repeated use, exposure to heat, or electrical issues like corroded connections or a weak solenoid. How to confirm it's the starter? If you suspect a bad starter, you can confirm it by testing. A professional mechanic will check the battery, wiring, and starter to ensure the issue isn't something else like a bad battery or corroded cables. Temporary fixes. If you're stuck and need a quick fix, you can try tapping the starter lightly with a wrench or hammer while someone turns the key. This can sometimes free up a stuck gear or solenoid and get you back on the road, but remember, this is only a temporary solution. And there you have it, the key signs and symptoms of a bad starter. From clicking sounds to intermittent issues, these clues can help you diagnose the problem early. If your car isn't starting like it used to, don't wait too long to get it fixed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car repair tips, and leave a comment with your questions or stories about starter issues. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy driving.